Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are pleased to offer this awesome Suzuki VZ 800 Intruder, registered the 28th of March 2014 on a 14 plate with only 8,704 miles and presented in Mira Red, benefiting from a comprehensive service history and a useful rear luggage rack. Powered by Suzuki's proven 805cc V-twin engine, the Intruder offers effortless low-down torque, relaxed cruising and classic cruiser styling. With its low seat height, comfortable riding position, shaft drive and plenty of chrome, it makes a fantastic choice for both weekend rides and longer journeys. This middleweight cruiser will leave us serviced where required, with a full pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT and a 3-month warranty for complete peace of mind. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for even greater reassurance. We can deliver this motorcycle anywhere in the UK and offer a wide range of competitive finance packages to suit your needs. Please note we have a small £89 admin fee applicable on all of our bikes. For more information, please contact us on 01424 44 44 48, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk or WhatsApp 07359837799. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon.